Here is the difference between System.io and, that was ugly, but System.io and ClickFunnels. So guys, they are both sales funnel builder. If you are promoting a product that needs to be inside of a funnel, then you have to pick one or two, or maybe there's something else out there. However, I'm familiar with ClickFunnels and System.io. However, the difference is one is free and one you need to pay for. System.io, yes, you can start out doing that for free. I believe it's like 3 funnels and up to 2,000 subscribers. But I want to tell you the importance and maybe get you to rethink going with System.io. ClickFunnels, however, it is $97 a month. I get it. I was like at first like, oh my God, I got to pay $97. But I want to let you know, if you start out with ClickFunnels and you get really good at it and really comfortable at it and you learn about it, you can actually become an affiliate for ClickFunnels. And then anybody else that purchases the affiliate marketing course, the training from you, they're going to need some type of sales funnel builder. And if you give them your link to ClickFunnels, and after 3 or 4, I'm not sure, I can't remember, but after 3 or 4 people that you have signed on using your affiliate link, everything from there on out is commission. Now, I believe ClickFunnels pays out 20% commission starting out, and then after so many people, you get 40% commission. But think about that, 20% commission for 50 people, that's like $1,000 a month. Why didn't somebody tell me that in the beginning? It's a no-brainer. Come on, guys. Really do your research, understand affiliate marketing. And if you are a newbie and you're wanting to know the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, number one, check out my videos. I talk about it. And over time, my videos at the beginning kind of sucked, but over time they're getting better because I'm understanding the skills more. And guys, I'm teaching you exactly what I know. No secrets. I give you all the good stuff. So like this video, share this video, and follow me to learn more. And if you want to schedule a call with me, just raise your hand. That was a really long video. I hope you made it to the end.